How seaweed may be able to save the world. Or how do these play a part in the world's existence? It's easy to see why seaweed is such a valuable resource. In addition to its culinary uses, seaweed is rich in iodine, iron, and magnesium and contains essential nutrients for life. With dozens of varieties found around the world, both in freshwater and saltwater, the plant grows quickly and abundantly in nearly any climate. And it has been a large part of many cultures' diets for centuries. But what if we told you that seaweed could do more than just add flavor to your sushi? Turns out there are 5 truly unique ways that seaweed can help save our world. Before we jump in, you are watching Bloom Today, the YouTube channel that empowers you to level up your lifestyle. If you want to see more inspirational videos like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to never miss any updates. Number 5. Seaweed in food. Replacing some of your processed food with seaweed as part of a balanced diet can help save your health and the world. Not only are seaweeds rich in antioxidants, but it also contains healthy fats and minerals, plus it's been shown to suppress appetite. No wonder it's thought to promote weight loss. In fact, when researchers at Harvard Medical School studied obese individuals who followed a low-calorie diet for 8 weeks, those who were instructed to eat more seaweed lost up to 10 pounds more than those on a traditional low-calorie diet alone. If you want to lose weight while saving our world from pollution at its source, try adding more seaweed into your meals. You might be surprised by how easy it is. It's best not to think of seaweed as a standalone ingredient, rather, add it to recipes that already call for other ingredients. For example, if you have leftover cooked vegetables, add fresh seaweed strips right before serving. This way, your dish still tastes familiar but has a unique texture and added nutrients. Number 4. Fertilizer. Did you know that seaweed is an excellent fertilizer? It's estimated that over 70% of Earth's oxygen supply comes from photosynthesis, a process in which seaweed plays a crucial role. If you decide to use seaweed fertilizer in your garden or farm, rest assured that you won't be doing any harm to your land. In fact, you'll be enriching it for years to come. Seaweed can also help revitalize land that has been affected by mining or other heavy industry. In addition to its fertilizer properties, seaweed can act as a natural pesticide and insect repellent. It's also known to have antifungal properties and has even been used successfully in treating cancer patients with radiation poisoning. Of course, seaweed doesn't grow on trees, it grows in water. So be mindful about what you take from nature. If you live near the sea, you can easily find seaweed, dry it and add it to your soil. Number 3. Health, wellness, and beauty products. Seaweed is one of Mother Nature's most incredible creations and is perhaps the most beneficial and abundantly available natural ingredient for skincare on the planet. Unfortunately, it's also one of her most underutilized resources. Humans have only recently recognized seaweed as a food source and dietary supplement, but we've long known that seaweed has been used to cleanse our bodies of toxins and restore good health. Seaweed is able to absorb minerals and active transport from seawater. Because of that, some seaweeds have a high concentration of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, proteins, and lipids, which all pose benefits for the skin. Seaweed can help regulate oil production, heals acne and rosacea, exfoliates dead skin cells and many more benefits for a healthy and glowing skin. Number 2. Medicines. Native communities around the world have been using seaweed as a medicine for centuries. It's an antibiotic, antiviral, and antifungal agent. Because it grows on rocks and sand in saltwater, it contains higher levels of iodine than most land plants do. Not only is iodine necessary for healthy thyroid function, but its presence can also boost your metabolism by revving up thermogenesis, or heat production. In fact, eating seaweed has been shown to increase metabolic rate by 30%. That means you burn more calories throughout your day, even when you're not exercising. And if that weren't enough, seaweed may even help protect against Alzheimer's disease. Studies have found that regular consumption of seaweed may help reduce plaque buildup in our brains, which could slow down or prevent symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. Number 1. Seaweed could be used to produce biofuel in the future. Studies have shown that microalgae can produce up to 50% more biofuel than land-based crops. This makes seaweed an ideal alternative for nations trying to reduce their carbon footprint and create a cleaner, greener world. For example, China is looking into using seaweed as a way to fuel cars to cut down on their reliance on fossil fuels. With its large coastline and abundance of seaweed farms, China is well positioned to make big changes in producing algae fuel. If China follows through with its plans, it could pave the way for other countries, including our own, to follow suit. In fact, there are already companies in California that are producing biofuel from seaweed. There's no doubt that seaweed will play a huge role in creating a sustainable future for all of us. We have come to the conclusion that seaweed has been helping us save our world since the beginning of time, whether we've recognized it or not. We hope this video inspired you to level up your lifestyle. Join the Bloom Today community by subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get an update on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.